Wagi wa mubango mwagiriru wa gutegeko kaunti-ini ya Naikuru nikuo gutumite thirikari ya kaunti iyo kuhaririria mutaratara wa watho wa uria giko kiu kingiteo na njira iria yagiriire na gikorwo gikihuthika guthondeka indo itiganite. Undu uyu ukite thutha wa nyiti itemi kaunti-ini ino amara maturigiceirio maragomanite kigomano-ini kia o mwaka kuria muriithi Kiogoro uria niwe murugamiriri wa mara maturigiceirie araugire kihonia gia kunina giko mwena ucio ni gikuonekana.
I can assure you with that pan, I think everything else that is in the environment is either usable or recyclable. And in this county, that is the direction we are taking because we want to create circular economy for our people. We want to embrace waste as well. What we need to do is now upscale this effort, create markets and look for markets.
Na watongoria a mwena uyu matongoretio ni mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Naikuru Peter Palanga ni maiyukitie mubango uyu.
Members who are environmental friendly, we are going to support these efforts to ensure that we have proper legislations in place.
County government pia iweke maafisa kama vile tuliona Kericho waki train enforcement officers. Pia hapa tungependa tuwe na enforcement officers.
Nake muikariri gite wa kiama kia ene tutaro iria-ini ria Naivasha David Kilo augite thirikari ya kaunti iyo ni ibati kuoera aria othe marathukangia maria maturigiceirie ikinya ria kiwatho.
The activity which surround Naivasha are activities which are of concern not only nationally but worldwide.
Arũgamĩrĩria wa nditiganĩte kaunti-ini ino ya Naikuru nĩo maroretwo igũrũ nĩguo kũhĩtũkia watho ũyũ. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.